Monday morning, new job with the tilers. Matty's here, Nate's popped down to the van because what we've got to do is remove this shower area. All of this is coming out, tray, screen, shower, and then the boys are taking all the tiles out, reboarding it, resealing it up, retiling it. A new tray will have gone in, and then we're going to get a new shower on there with a little riser and a rainfall head on the top, and a new screen. Simple as that. This is one where I'm going to drop in this morning, get this out for them. They're going to crack on, get the boarding done, tiling done, and then when we're back, we will, obviously the tray's got to go in, and when we're back, the screen will go on, shower will go on. So, let's get this out.
So first things first, we have to get the screen out. So we do the usual thing, get the door off, get the profiles unbolted from the side, and begin getting the whole frame out, getting the profiles off the wall.
So we've got the screen out, and this board was just on there, covering up. Pull it off now. Covering up there. So obviously they've had a proper issue at some point with water getting down the back of it. Hence why it's all coming out. I bet that will just pull off now, couldn't it?
Yeah, it won't take a lot.
That'll be off soon enough. But yeah, we took the front cover off, but look how jacked up the tray is. So depending on where the waste pipe is under there, because that's going to be the governing factor of how high we can have that tray. Hopefully we can get it down a little bit.
It's like birds flying high.
Proper high, isn't it? So yeah.
You know how
Let's get that out.
Yeah, we're going to need to reboard it and that anyway, aren't we? What are you going to do? Take it?
Oh no, just when I'll take that off, then when I go and get the trays, I can pick a couple of caps up for there.
Sounds.
So I'll get it when I come back with the tray.
Yeah, we don't need it. I've just filled the kettle up and put that on, so. What do you want? Coffees?
Yes, mate. Milk, no sugar for me.
No sugar.
Treacle. So the lads have now took out all the inside of the shower and revealed this. So the bottom half of it obviously was massively soaking wet, and they've even double boarded onto here. Moisture board, but double boarded on. And also because what I've got to do is get on back onto this shower tray, and it's one on legs. We've got to cut that waist down as far down as we can go to drop that trap down as far. We're going to have to put legs on it. It's just the way it is on this job because there's no other way of getting the pipe work under the floor, and the customer doesn't want the expense of getting all of this up to do that. So, and to be honest, where that goes through there, I don't really think we'd be able to. So we'll have a tidy up here. We've got to alter this pipe work here first, bring it down as low as we can, and then just poke it into this area. The boys are going to then board these walls off, rip it down, board it off properly, and then we can get the tray in. Well then, I've managed to get that waste pipe out and get this one in a little bit lower. So I've just trimmed a little bit out of that timber. At least now we can get the tray as low down as we can with what we've got here. So we'll leave the boys now to cut all this out, and we'll come back in a bit and get the tray in. So we're back. The boys have finished doing the tanking in this shower area, and we've got the shower out now ready to go in. It's having an upstand on it, so there's 6 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the legs to go on this. Now, legs on shower trays always remind me of the amount of people that say, you know, when you bed a tray down, and I do it on silicone, people say you can't do it on silicone because there's going to be holes in there where the silicone goes down. It's got to be sand and cement, otherwise it's not supporting everything. So you look at that, that's supporting on 6 legs around the outside of the tray, no support in the middle, doesn't come supplied with support in the middle or anything. So bear that in mind when people say, oh, you haven't supported the tray right or whatever. They come like this. Yes, it's a big crock tray, and it's all there, it weighs an absolute ton. So what we're going to do, we've got the leg kit here, we're going to get the legs made up onto it and get it settled down into here and levelled up, and then we can mark up where the waste has got to go. Obviously get the trap on. The trap's going to be in this corner here, which is quite handy. So we get the legs on and get it into place.
Putting legs on trays is a bit of a pain, to be honest. This the threaded bar, the threaded leg, you have about 3 bolts that also have to go on, as well as the spacers for the front panel. that covers the bottom of the tray when it's all in. So you have to make sure all that's in line, and then also try and level the tray at the same time. Now this tray wasn't light at all. I think it was a 1400 by 800 tray, so yeah, there's a fair bit of weight in it. So I'll just get it into position there, and then we've got to start making the waist up for it. So I'd already offered up the tray into position, so I knew exactly where the trap was going to go. So we make the trap up, get the pipe in there, and then get the elbow glued into position, get the trap in place, and then we can just offer the tray down over the top, get the washer on, and then get the top of the trap in place, tightened up. Now, I always put it in hand tight, and then I open my grips up and use my grips to tighten that waist into the top there. Then get it all cleaned up, top on, and then we're ready to go.
Right then, after a lot of faffing around, we finally got the tray in. So the tray's in, I've sealed it all into where they've tanked around the outside. We'll leave it now for the boys to get the tiling done. Then we can come back, get the shower on, and get the screen on. Right then, we're back. The boys have finished tiling this bathroom. Doesn't look too bad for what it is, a little spruce up. Some jobs like this, obviously there's so many different ways you could have gone about it. You could have changed this tile coming into here, you could have done whatever, but it's all down to budget. Now this one, they just wanted the shower area sorting out. So as you can see, we took it out. The boys have now retiled it. So what I'm going to do is set the shower screen up into position, mark it, then probably get the shower on and get that finished in there, then fit the screen. So we're all done in that way. But I have, while the boys have just been tidying up, I made up the screen now. I didn't show you making it up because it's just dead simple. It's just 2 screws there, 2 screws there, in each corner, and then put the side profiles together onto the glass. So we've got the bottom, the top, and then obviously the door will sit on there. The door's over there. So once that's made up, the side profiles just go into place either side, and then we can bolt that in, and then I'm going to get the shower on, I think. I'm not sure which order I'm going to do it in yet, because I don't know, the boys are trying to clean up everywhere, so we're trying to work around each other a little bit. We'll see. First of all, I'll get the water off, maybe get the shower on. Right, we're done. We're done, boys, haven't we?
Whoa.
Knife Matty, smashed this one out. I haven't filmed a lot of it just because A, this bathroom's so tight, B, me and Matty ain't the smallest of the guys. Nate's small, but me and Matty ain't.
The tiny Tyler.
The tiny Tyler. Screen's now in, shower's on, mixer shower. They've got a rainfall head on this one with the body one bit there. Yeah, just a really nice sort of model of this bathroom. As I said, it's sort of on a budget, this one. The woman wanted it done because, as you seen at the start, it was a complete mess. So 1200 by 800 trays gone in, 1200 screen, rainfall shower, new tile, new Hardy backer boards on there, tanked in, job done. Quick little ensuite refurb. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, drop me a comment, and I'll catch you on the next one.